Hello everyone and welcome to Cyberware. Today we're continuing our videos about using OpenAI and ChatGPT and basically large language models in Microsoft Excel. Uh, we can just play with it like you use a regular function, but you now can use the large language model to work on your data. So in a previous video, which will be in the description as a link, I showed you how to create this function GPT-4o, which takes the prompt and a cell that it refers to as a parameter. And we used it to, write a poem. So yeah, there's that. Now we're gonna look at some actual data. So we have this. Wait, no, we have this sheet here, which has a list of countries, right? Um, Let me filter it, sort by location. Yes, okay. So this is a list of, well, countries, territories, whatever, and we can use the function to do something about that, right? No, sorry. Uh, we can say equal GPT-O and then write a short, interesting fact about this country, no more than one sentence, right? And then it's A2 and sorry, I missed this. Oh, let's format the cells, wrap text, and like this. Sounds interesting, right? AI facts, and then I can go down a bit. Let's see. Wait, what happened? Yeah, it takes its time. It's not responding. Oh, okay. And there you have it. Now we have a fact about Albania, one about Algeria, one about Samoa, about Angola. Now remember, these don't really have to be accurate because this is what LLMs do. But yeah, there's that. So now I'm gonna make 200 API requests. Let's see how that goes, huh? It gets stuck for a few seconds, but then finally the data comes through from the API, and you will end up with the actual result of the function. Now we can go crazy with this. We can add more parameters. We can um, change the prompt, have a default prompt. You can make another function that refers to this function. It's yeah, there is no limit here. Well, you are kind of limited by your budget because you need to pay for this API. But other than that, it's only your imagination. Okay, so now it's done. It took about 5 minutes. Uh, it's not optimal, it's not optimized. Sorry, I'm not a native English speaker, but yeah, it does have some facts. For Romania, it matches. Let me try. Uh, this sounds accurate for Mexico, but I don't know. In Moldova they do have wine cellars. I'm not sure if that's the one. Where? What what else can I fact check? Not fact check, but you know. Wow, China is home to the largest whatever continuous civilization. Belgium, comic book artist. Right, that's a good fact. So, um, it kind of did this, right? So let's try another one. GPT for all. Translate this to the most likely language to be spoken in this country. There are more. Choose one. Right, so now we are translating the the previously generated text in a local language. Let's see. This is Sindari now. Okay, let's give an instruction. Just output the translation, no other remarks. Okay. Whoa. Okay. That's a mistake now. Okay. No. The translation. Ah, sorry, not A2. I meant B2. Sorry. Yeah, okay. And then it was translated the country name. That's what was happening. Here it's in Albanian. Here it's I guess Arabic. I don't know what this is. This is actually Catalan. Wow. Okay. And next. Angola. I would say Portuguese. Right. We stop at Australia. If it translates into English, we're done. So we're gonna close the video. As I said, if you want this to work in your Excel, there's a previous video where I show you how to do it, and you can always ask questions in the comments and I will answer them. Please remember to subscribe. Yeah, so it kept the English language here. That's great. One last one for Austria. Let's do a German. Nice, nice, cool. Okay, this is great for automated websites or whatever. Thank you so much. Bye.